Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Close your eyes and take a breath in through your nose and hold it. Now, exhale through your mouth with a sigh, releasing anything you've been holding on to. You may be feeling behind right now, behind on work, behind on life, behind on the version of yourself you thought you would be by now. And that feeling of behindness follows you everywhere. A low hum of not enough, not fast enough, not caught up enough. I want to offer you a different perspective for this time that we are together. You are not behind. You are exactly where your particular journey, with its particular challenges, its particular gifts, its particular detours, has brought you. And that is not the same as being behind. As you inhale, breathe in the truth that there is no universal timeline you are failing to meet. There is only your life unfolding at exactly the pace it needs to. And as you exhale, release the exhausting story that you should be further along. It is not true, and it is costing you the ability to be present for where you actually are. You are not behind. You are here. And here is exactly where you need to be. I am sending you so much love.
When maintaining your daily wellness rituals is important to you, the change in routine during the summer can feel daunting. Kachava's new travel packs help you stick to your daily ritual, even when you're on the go. Just one packet of Kachava's all-in-one nutrition shake provides complete nutrition with 25 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber, greens, adaptogens, and much more. So you'll be fueled and ready for wherever life or your summer adventures take you. No fillers, no nonsense. Just the good stuff your body craves. Plus, it actually tastes delicious. But you can try it for yourself because the variety pack includes all 6 delicious fan favorites: chocolate, vanilla, chai, matcha, coconut acai, and strawberry. So instead of worrying about sticking to your daily ritual, simplify it with Kachava. Go to kachava.com and use code FITNESS for 15% off. That's KACHAVA.com, code FITNESS.